park. Yay! Okay.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.
Bye-bye. Ay. Come on, baby. Look, it's a frog. Look, it's a frog, oh. Don't touch. It's okay. He won't bite you. Ang ganda dito. Nakakapag-enjoy yung mga bata pag gantong mainit yung panahon. Sana may ganito tayo sa Pilipinas. Pwede silang maglaro sa tubig, takbo-takbo. Diba? Para pag uwi, tulog. Are you having fun, Rafa?
Yes.
Kayla, are you having fun? Huh? Come here. Are you all done?
Yeah, pupunta naman siya dun.
Saan?
Dun.
Eh, naka-off pa yung fountain eh.
Yan na. Yan na.
Kayla, it's on.
Come.
Come. What? No, you're wet eh. You can't go to slide if you're wet. Puna sisipon. Puna sisipon.
Saan na yung bossy ko?
Yeah. Dito lang kami dito. Chill under the trees. Si Rafa, nagbabantay kay Tina. Mga tambay, sa kukulang. Cellphone. Relax. Tapos isip ko anong kakainin.
Pizza.
Tapos uwi na. Pizza. Fish flavor na pizza.
Ew.
Diet nga eh, diet. We are at Kokokare. Ano?
Yummy.
It's the same? Kasi yeah, long time no curry. Ang lasa? It's the
Still
same.
good.
I'm eating. Wow. Mama.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good talaga.
Good. Oh, don't wipe it. Just use that one. How about daddy?
Yeah.
You sure? Oh, yeah.
Sarap.
What's your order?
Cheese. Tonkatsu. Cheese. Curry.
Rafa.
Pili-pili chicken. Curry.
And I have salad and mini tonkatsu curry.
A hot dog.
May vlogger talaga ako dito. Nagkasali siya. Sige, go. Eat now.